Most people say you can't time the market. I say you have to. I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer for T3 Live. I would like to invite you to an exclusive swing trading event in Newport Beach, California on Saturday, February 23rd. Students will learn the 5 keys to becoming a successful swing trader and how to navigate the market using what I call a portfolio approach when it's conducive in the market. Reserve your seat at t3live.com or call our toll-free number 1-888-99-T3-LIVE.
Good afternoon, stock fans. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live halftime report. Today we got a pretty sloppy market. We're down 6.5 on the S&Ps, down 17 on the Dow, and down 19 on the NASDAQ. Want to take you right to a couple stocks that we were looking at today and a couple that might make some money for us in the future. So let's talk about first Herbalife, HLF. As you can see here, I drew in, here's your first 5-minute bar, and what we had then is a nice, pretty wedge that I was looking for a little bit of action. I bought some 39.80 right in here as it looked like the stock was about to break higher, and I got a nice trade up to about 40.60, 40.70 where I got out of all my stock in that range. And now the stock has retreated after the conference call. If you look now, we've got a pretty ugly overall day for Herbalife. It's down about $1 right now. And currently you're looking at a breakdown of 40, a bounce. We got a nice H pattern on the 5-minute, pretty much from 39.30 to about the low, which is 38.5. So you got about another 80 cents in possible downside action if we break today's low. So that's one stock we've been looking at. Another one that I've been watching since earnings over 2 weeks ago, and I'm still in a couple puts, but I'm getting ready to exit out of them, and that is Baidu, B-I-D-U. I've been watching this stock for the better part of 2 weeks since they reported earnings. Maybe it was last week, I forget now. But here's the chart. Yeah, about 2 weeks. Finally got a breakdown from this descending triangle off the earnings gap. Obviously, you're looking here, you're seeing no real buying action. We got a down move on Friday, another down move yesterday, and then a downgrade today took us down to under 90. My guess is I'll probably be out of the puts after it breaks 90 and maybe gets a little bit of a push down through the lows, and we'll see what happens after that. But again, I took a very nice trade. I was along the puts from in here, took out the money on the way down here. Again, a nice trade. I probably should have shorted some stock, but I felt more comfortable doing the options in Baidu just because I'm not a big fan of the gyrations back and forth in Baidu. I felt more comfortable holding the puts. A trade for the future radar that looks really good to me is VHC. Here's the daily of VHC. As you can see here, it's in one giant ascending triangle from about 28, half 29 to about 36. So that's giving you $7 in range if it does break. I love this stock if it gets above 36 half for a move initially probably to this top right here, about 37.65, 38. And then I think it could easily get up here, which is around $40. Again, I'm in some options with this already. I'll wait until 36.50 and I'll probably buy some stock. But again, putting the idea out there for you to look at for possible movement in the future. The chart looks fantastic. We just got to wait and see what it's going to do. So with that, everybody, again, I'm just kind of sitting back, riding my P&L, keeping it, I'm making sure that I don't give back too much money. I had a decent day. And again, it's been a sloppy action type of trade, but there is money out there. So with that, everybody, good luck trading the rest of the day. I'll talk to you all on the VTF.
I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.